What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Tuned Engines. Right now we're over here early in the morning trying to get this Volkswagen Beetle, the new car we just got ready for basically a cars and coffee, but it's a little bit different. It's called Pistons at the Park. And we're gonna go ahead and see if we can get this car ready. We gotta check the oil level, put some chairs in the front or trunk, wherever you call it, and probably vacuum up the inside, and then that's it. Call it good. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and check the oil level, make sure everything's good, and then we're gonna go ahead and start heading over there in a bit. So let's go ahead and get this video started. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and check the oil level really quick. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the dipstick out. Clean this off. Put it back in, take it out. And we're actually perfect. We're right in the middle. I'm probably gonna see if I can put a tiny bit in, just to be safe. You know what I mean? Because we're actually gonna be driving it technically like over 100 miles going there and back. So I want this engine to be top tier. Alright guys, so now it's a little bit dark in here, but we're gonna go ahead and start heading to the event. Put the key in. Make sure it's neutral. Some gas. Alright guys, so the next thing will be the car show. Just joking, guys. The ride was actually pretty good. Can't say much about this car, but it's just perfect. But anyways, guys, as y'all heard, I'm not gonna end the video. They're actually gonna go ahead and put a new exhaust system I went ahead and bought from one of the fellows there at the car meet. That was also a VW bug enthusiast, and he told me like just a new muffler, basically from like the headers forward or on back. So we're gonna go ahead and change that really quick before we go ahead and end this video. So stay tuned. Alright, guys, and in case y'all were wondering what we're gonna change, we're gonna be changing the exhaust manifold, basically like the whole exhaust back, because like the one it has right now, it's a little bit ugly. Like it goes like an S, and that's not cool. So we're gonna go ahead. We went ahead and got this one from one of the, or bought it from one of the guys at the event. As you can see, it's not that bad. I have some tape over this, just because I gave like a little paint over, making it look a little bit more cooler, newer. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the old one and put this new one back on. So that should be super freaking cool. So let's go ahead and start that, because we actually can go to another car meet today. We have to go ahead and get ready for it, and I want to have the new exhaust on there before we go. So let's go ahead and do this really quick. Alright, guys, we're gonna go ahead and take off. We're gonna use some WD-40, so like none of this stuff will break on us. Alright, guys, so it's been a while. This actually took way more longer than I thought, just because we had one bolt that was giving us so many issues. Where is it at? Where's this bolt? Alright, guys, well, this bolt was giving us so many issues just because, like, I don't know if it was crusted or what, but whenever I was trying to take out the bolt, the whole stud came out. And like since like there was no room for it like to go, like it took me forever. I was just spinning it like this much, up and down, and it took forever. So but we got it out, so we're gonna go ahead and slap the new exhaust. But yeah, guys, so now that we got it out, we're gonna go ahead and slap the new exhaust in and struggle with this bolt again, because you have to do the same exact thing over. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Oh my god, super hot. Alright, guys, as y'all saw, we got the new exhaust system on. As y'all can see, they're super freaking shiny and clean. Went ahead and I used some aluminum foil to get them back up to life. But I like the way it looks way more better than like the one sticking out to the side, because this is how like the Beetles came with anyway. Another thing is, guys, I like this exhaust sounds exactly the same as the other one, just because like it has like muffler inside the pipe as well, and like one right there, like a little pipe connecting these two tips. But let me go ahead and show you what it sounds like really quick, so you can hear before we go to the car meet. Give me a sec. But yeah, guys, let's just talk about how fast this car fires up really quick with that brand new engine. But yeah, as y'all saw, it sounds the same as it did before, so no change in the sound. Maybe in the future we'll go ahead and cut the mufflers off the tips and just straight pipe it like every Honda Civic out there in the world. But we'll leave that for like another episode. But let's go ahead and get to the car meet, because it's already getting late. Alright, guys, so we're going back home right now. You got the Volkswagen Beetle. I'm going like 65. I feel like I'm speedy. I feel like I'm going over 100 with this little thing. It's crazy, I swear. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get back home, and we'll continue the video from there. So see y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, well as y'all saw, we took the Volkswagen Beetle, the Super Beetle, to 2 different car meets. Got people's reaction. It was super cool. Didn't record as much because I didn't have time. I didn't have enough time because people were always asking me questions, and I like answering people's questions or anything like they might have questions about, like, you know, about like the car, like the YouTube channel or anything. But yeah. But remember guys, this is just the beginning of this 1971 Super Beetle. We have way more stuff coming. As you saw, we did already put an exhaust system on it basically. I know it sounded the same as the other one, but I just wanted to look a little bit more cleaner and better. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video for more future content. And if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. But as always guys, hope you have a wonderful, amazing day, and I'll see you on next time.